So Union Repair sent me a bunch of these screwdrivers here. See if you guys can see it. There you go. They're called Tool. Anyways, he sent me a whole bunch of them, and they wanted me to do something called a violence video on them. I don't even know what that means, and I'm not really a violent guy unless somebody gets in my face. But anyways, so I don't even know if these are any good or not, but they swear by them, and I think I've seen a video of some guy like striking some metal plate with one of these screwdrivers and then unscrewing something, and magically it still works. Okay, so this is, let's see, looks like it says everyday screwdriver, but this looks like more of this guy. I don't even know what these things are called, but this is the one I normally use, but looks like it's about the same. And this one is a pentalobe, so we'll just take one of these out, and then let's see how they go. So we got the pentalobe, we got the 4-star thingy. Alright. I don't know if you can see that. This is another pentalobe. This also looks like a pentalobe, so I don't know what these. Let's see. These look exactly the same. Anyways, let's try to find another one. Okay, they send me any actual screwdrivers here, like Philip said? No. So these are just pentalobes and the star ones. Well, I guess that's a star. And then this is the 4-prong one for, I guess, the set screws or whatever the hell they're called. Okay, so I guess these are it. So it's just 2 of them, and we are going to violently violate them somehow. So I guess maybe I'll get something to violate. Let me pause and look for something to violate, and then we will violate the hell out of it. Alright, found something to violate, and this is the first logic board holder that I used, and you see it's crusty, and I probably used this for a good year or so until this damn thing kept slipping out, and then I was like, screw you. I even drilled some holes here to hopefully hold this screw, and that didn't really work. So anyways, this is a logic board fail. So we're going to violate it. Look at that! Holy crap, this is so amazing, man. It still works. Look at that. Wow. Holy mother. Okay. Alright. So seriously though, these screwdrivers are actually pretty decent. I always use the Weehaw drivers, and I've been using these since the beginning of time. And these things, when you do the rotation thing with this thing kind of glued to your palm of your hand, it's actually pretty smooth. So I'm gonna actually swap them out for a little bit and see how it goes. And one thing I don't like about the Weehaws is that the tips on these two are both red, so a lot of times I pick up the wrong one. It's a little bit annoying. So I'm actually going to switch my pentalobe with a tool, and we shall see how it goes. Tool. Alright, thanks for watching.